We're making golden sweet cornbread. Are you team sweet cornbread or savory? Personally, I like a little bit of sweet cornbread. And it starts by mixing up your dry ingredients. In goes the flour and cornmeal, then baking powder and salt. And now the sugar. Yes, it is a good amount of sugar, but it's called sweet cornbread. I like to make a little well in the middle, and that's where I'll crack my egg. Then the milk and oil, just vegetable oil. I like to kind of whisk that together in the center, and then I'll pull in the dry ingredients. And that's how you make cornbread. My mom taught me about adding a little sour cream to your cornbread, and I just love that. It helps add in a little bit of moisture, and it just kind of adds just a little hint of tanginess. You can also stir in things like sharp cheddar cheese or some pickled jalapenos, you know, make it your own. It's as easy as that, and now you just pour it into a lightly greased round baking pan. I'm going to butter the pan. You could just spray it with cooking spray. I just like the flavor of butter with cornbread. Pour the batter right in. This goes into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. You don't want to overcook it, or that's when it tastes too dry. My toothpick says it's done. Golden and delicious, look at that. I love to, while it's hot, just smear the top with some butter, and then you can always add more later. This is my perfect way to serve up that sweet cornbread right along the side of a little spicy chili. Looks better than that stuff in the box, but how does it taste? It is delightfully sweet. I love the crust that it forms around the outside, and then that butter, and I love the combination of flour and cornmeal because it makes it really light, but then you still get those little chewy bits of cornmeal that you love about cornbread. So you can stop by in the box if you're looking for that perfect sweet cornbread recipe. This is the one. You ain't ever had my cornbread.